Hi everyone, it's Matt with Mineral Stains. Today I'm going to go over a mural at Jax Beach in Jacksonville, Florida. You can see how beautifully it was done. And the problem that we see on a lot of the masonry buildings, especially down south with the moisture, like you see that pink building, the destruction of mortar and brick, it's been rebuilt so many times. Yes, it's an older building, but here's an example. I remember this gentleman here, Ernesto, a few years ago did this mural. And take a look at this. I mean, this is all getting broken down. This could be other parameters or different factors why it happened, but you have paint that's coming off here. You have chips and flakes coming off here. And the one thing that you noticed that you're not going to get with our mineral stains is actually the color is starting to fade. So you could see the turtle, it's still coming through, but another 3-4 years and you're going to see the color pigments less and less, because what they're using is organic pigments, which are not intended, should not be used for the exterior. And over time, even like this dolphin here, you're just going to see more and more color loss. And this could be acid rain, this will be UV over time. And so our colors are also mineral based, which means you're going to get that protection. But more importantly, you know, every time this happens, you're not having another artist or the same artist repainting a stucco or EIFS every 3 to 4 years. So even if you don't care about the environment, you just want to use whatever paint, two factors to consider. You're destroying the masonry over time, and whoever is paying for the work, whether it's a business or a township in this case, you're just essentially wasting money, because this will have to get repainted every, figure, 3 to 5 years. And then you're spending it on the same or a different mural that's going to go up. But ultimately, you're also going to have masonry destruction. So ultimately, when you look at this mural, it's a beautiful finish. But whether it's a government-owned building or a private building, like some of these here, over time, you're going to spend money on a new mural every 3 to 5 years. And then the destruction of EIFS, stucco, or masonry over time due to moisture is going to be another factor, because ultimately the inner wall here, the more moisture it holds over time, the more destruction it's going to have over the years. So even if it's a public building, ultimately the village is going to be basically spending money on unnecessary masonry destruction over time. So if using mineral pigments and potassium-silicate stains, you could have this put up and then enjoy a good 20 years on a vertical wall like this.